Today's Well-Being brought to you by Protein House. We're talking about the need for blood donations. And Tori Robin, the communications manager with Vitalant, is joining us now live via Zoom. Tori, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you, Tori. So we are talking about some of the needs for blood donations, and especially during summertime. What can you tell us about what is needed right now?
Absolutely. So all blood types are needed right now, but especially those O types, O positive and O negative. Unfortunately, we're seeing those levels drop quicker than we'd like, and it's been pretty consistent since the beginning of summer. So we're really calling on those O positive and O negative donors to come out and donate. And if you don't know your blood type, that's absolutely fine. O positive is actually the most common blood type. So there's a good chance a lot of you out there that don't know your blood type are that blood type, and you are highly needed right now. So really just need to keep that consistent summer blood supply for patients who are using blood every day in our area.
Mm-hmm. And Tori, can you let us know, how does donating blood really help others within our community?
Absolutely. It is such an easy way to save a life. Even if you're scared of needles or you've never done it before, I always tell people, give it a shot, because you really come in, you do a couple of interview questions, you have a little miniature physical, and then the actual blood donation time is only about 8 to 10 minutes. And then you sit down, have some snacks, have something to drink, make sure you're feeling great before you take off. And the whole process is basically an hour beginning to end, and you truly save somebody's life every single time. And if a patient needs a blood transfusion, that's their only option. So if the blood's not on the shelves when we need it, there's nothing else that the hospitals can give. They can't give a shot or a pill. It really, truly does need to be donated blood. And so you save a life and not only affect that patient, but their family, their friends, their coworkers. It really is the ripple effect. And so even if you're a little nervous, please give it a shot, because it does make a huge difference in so many people's lives.
Yeah, there's certainly always a need. Now, you had mentioned the specific blood types that you're looking for right now. You know, for someone out there who maybe doesn't even know what their blood type is, how can they go about maybe finding out if they would be a good candidate?
Yeah, so we handle all that for you. All you need to do is visit vitalant.org or call 877-25-VITAL, and we'll find a donation center or a mobile blood drive that is near you. We take our mobile blood drives out and about all throughout North Dakota and South Dakota, even parts of Minnesota, to make sure we're making it very, very convenient for people to help us by donating blood. But you come in and they will look at you, look at all your qualifications, tell you what type of blood donation is best for you. And then if you opt into receiving text messages or emails from us, you'll get a notification when your blood's shipped to a hospital to be used. So it's really an awesome thing. I've been donating blood for more years than I probably care to say out loud and date myself there. But every time I get that text message, it's just such a great feeling to know something that you did a couple of days ago or even a week or so before really truly saved somebody's life. So super easy to come in. And then, like I said, if you sign up for those notifications, you'll also have an online donor account that your blood type will be in there. So you'll be able to see what it is, and also some of your information for health history so that you can monitor your own health. It's very, very convenient and healthy to donate blood.
And Tori, I understand that if you donate now through the end of July, you can actually win a prize. Can you let us and our viewers know what that is?
Love to tell our donors thank you in every aspect and every chance that we can get, because you truly are making such a big difference. And so right now, if you come in and donate through the 27th of the month, you are automatically entered to win a new car. And the great thing about this is we don't say, okay, well, here's this type of car, you have to have it. It's a car valued up to $30,000. So you get to choose what you want. And once again, like I said, it's automatic. You don't have to fill out anything extra to be entered. And so if you get that phone call, it's not a scam. We really are helping people and telling our donors thank you all at the same time.
Well, that's a huge incentive, but of course, even the bigger incentive is knowing that you're helping people. Tori, you mentioned you've been doing this for many years. Can you talk with us about what drew you to it in the first place and what you have kind of gotten out of this?
Yeah, so I started donating blood in college in Spearfish, South Dakota. And truly the number one reason people don't donate blood is because nobody has ever asked them face to face to do it. So I always encourage people, grab a friend, bring them in. we were all sitting around in class in Spearfish, and one of our classmates came in and said, "Come on, there's a blood drive across the street. Let's all go donate blood." I found out that I was O positive, the most common blood type, like we talked about, and the staff shared with me how important it was for me to donate. So I just started donating and stuck with it, and 11 years ago, got welcomed into the Vitalant family and really get to share my passion with other people and share stories of it really truly does make a difference. I had no idea until I started working here how many lives it really affects, and that the majority of blood usage is a planned event. You know, we think of car accidents or tragedies that happen, but truly the majority of blood usage is a patient who has a disease, and the medicine that they get and will for the rest of their life is a blood transfusion. So it is very, very important to always donate blood as soon as you can, because so many people are regularly using it. And like I said, as a regular blood donor, I didn't know most of those things until I started working here. So really love being able to help other people and then also get donors involved in saving lives on a regular basis.
All right, some great reasons there. Very inspirational to hear from you, Tori. And make sure you sign up now to get the chance to win that new vehicle.
Yeah,
that
new
sounds
car.
amazing.
Absolutely.
Tori, thank you so much for
Thanks,
being
Tori.
with us.
Thank you, guys.
And this has been Wellbeing, which is brought to you by Protein House.
For more information on donating, you can go to vitalant.org and click donate now if you so choose. Don't forget, you can get a new car if you donate between now and the end of July. But keep it here.